Hello, hello. I just got the smart garage. This one, the XHouse app, and this I just ordered from Amazon. Okay. Just drive. Your home and garage will be open. Your garage door when you are near. Okay. This one smart garage controller with Wi-Fi. Okay. Now, just open it inside. This one user manual. We do have this one SGC01 smart Wi-Fi door opener. I think this one is controller. Yep. Good. And I think this one is the sensor. On connecting. Door sensor. Everything connected inside. So same thing right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna install the app. It's called like XHouse. Yeah. Okay, XHouse Young Alarm System. This one. Install. Continue. Skip. And go. Okay, done. We will open it. So that's something to make allow XHouse to make and manage phone call. Okay, allow how I set this device location. So you choose it, but for me, like I choose to allow only while using the app. I don't want to allow all the time. Okay. So allow us how to access photo, media, and file. Okay. Please select your country and region. China. Yeah, have a lot of things like Africa, Europe, South Africa, North America. So I use it North America because I'm living in North America. Okay, good, go. So now you have to sign in if you already. If not, you have to registration. Okay, click like here, phone or email, something like that. Yeah. If you choose the email, so you choose everything. If you choose the phone, okay, go back. Registration. You choose the phone. So you select like anything like that. Okay, good. Okay, so I checked the registration by email and I signed it. Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay, now we have to install the controller. Okay, this one. Oh yes, we have to click on the plus sign right here. Yes, and you're gonna see the gate curtain automation, and you will see the garage as well. Yeah, and we have to follow on the intersection. Okay. Okay, next step. So on this one, you see like switch 1 and switch 2. Okay, we have to press this button and hold it in 5 seconds. Yeah, until hit that. You see that it's flashing and confirm the pursuit beep. Okay, now current password, you have to choose the password. Okay. Yeah, you confirm it. Yeah, you see that successfully add, but I didn't see anything else. So. Okay, let's see. Now the light is red. It's not flashing anymore, but it doesn't show anything. Okay, let's see that. No, anything happen here? Yeah, you see that the garage online is right here. Okay. Yeah, when you tap here, it open it. It's closed. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, now it's connected. So you have the weekly timer, countdown, everything, and you should try it. Okay. Okay. Now we try to test with the sensor right here. So we have this. If we put it close together like this, it's gonna be close. Oops. See, it's gonna be. You see the light right here. If we put far away, it's gonna be up on it and it closes. Yeah. We put close together. Far away. Yeah. So we will test it with this one. So we put together, it's closed, right? And we put it far away, it open. Good. Yeah, good luck you guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, so now I just try to put it like this. I'm not okay, not really stick it. Okay, so I will try to hook to wire like this to do open. Okay, let's see. Let's go like this. This way, go like this. Okay, and I will test with the sensor. No, it doesn't work. Okay guys, okay, now after I connected everything, but not it's still messy over there, so I just testing my app. Okay, so let's go for the app. Yeah, okay, go to the garage. Okay, let's try to say up one, but okay, because I not connect the sensor right here is not connected, so okay, I just I want to try it. I use it. Okay, yeah, it's work. Right. One more. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, this side because it's still open because the sensor is not connected. Okay, if I have this one, see, now it's closed, right? If I have the sensor, it's low. If I take it away, okay, oh, sorry, it's open, right? When I put it close together, it's close, right? If I put it away, that means it's open, so it's open. Got good. So now I have to make it look good because it's still messy over there. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.